Hi, I am Shushmita Huerto and I'm going to perform proper lifting, holding, and burping a baby. Before we begin, perform proper hand hygiene. Cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on their neck, back, and head, also at their bottom. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place the baby on your lap. The head should be at your knees and face lift. Baby's feet should be tucked at your waist. Hip hold. Face the baby upward and make her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your arm around her waist and the baby will able to look around comfortably. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you use a burping cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand and hold the baby against your chest. The baby should address your shoulder and gently tap or rub the back to help her burp. Face down on your lap. Support the baby's chest and head in one hand by cradling the baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently tap the back or rub to help her burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby to be in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently tap the back or rub to help her burp. Thank you for watching!